Hello, it's Laura Jenner again, doing my second review. This is my fridge freezer. This on the floor is where a standard fridge freezer is, so you can see how small it is. I can fit a baby chair in between. So, in my first review I told you about the company taking no liability for my damaged fridge. So let me open it up. We are a family of 4 and we find it very difficult to fit all our products in the fridge. And there I have no milk compartment or anywhere for my eggs to go. So if I shut the fridge door and we go into the freezer, I have 3 compartments which are full, and my freezer tends to freeze over. It's not that bad at the minute because I've had to scrape it off. But there we go. So thank you for looking at my second review.